Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can download and install LastPass app on your mobile device. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. Simply go ahead, first open up your app store on your phone. Simply go ahead, type in LastPass on top and search it up. Now once you have done that, you're gonna find this kind of interface where you can see, and then you will find your search result right over here, which is LastPass password. Simply go ahead, tap on it, tap on this get button given right over there, and double click and simply install this particular app on your phone. Once it's done, this kind of interface is gonna pop up. You can tap on this open option right away, and this is how it's gonna appear. And now you will be able to simply access it from your mobile phone likewise. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.